மூப்பனார் சந்தா? மூப்பனார் சந்து இல்லைங்க, 3வது சந்து. அதே ரோட்ல லெஃப்ட் எடுத்தீங்கன்னா செகண்ட் ரைட் வரும். ஹலோ ஹலோ, தயவு செஞ்சு நம்ம வாங்க போற வீட்டு பக்கத்துல மார்க்கெட் எல்லாம் இருக்கிற மாதிரி பார்க்கலாம். தேங்காய் எல்லாம் ஆர்டர் போட வேண்டியதா இருக்கு.
சூப்பர் மார்க்கெட் மட்டும் இருந்தா போதுமா? நம்ம பசங்களுக்கு நல்ல டியூஷன் கிளாஸ், மியூசிக், டான்ஸ் கிளாஸ், நம்ம அப்பா அம்மாக்கு ஒரு நல்ல கம்யூனிட்டி, இது போக ஆபீஸ் பக்கத்திலே இருக்கணும் வேற.
அதுவும் கரெக்ட் தான். எல்லாமே எப்படி கிடைக்கும்? ஏதாவது ஒன்னு அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணி தானே ஆகணும்.
ஃபியூச்சர்க்காக எதுக்கு வெயிட் பண்ணோம்? ஃபியூச்சர் தான் வந்துருச்சே.
Hey, wow, what's this? Hey. Oh my God.
சந்தோஷத்தை கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ண முடியலையா?
Yeah. When you envision your dream home, where do you picture it? Set amidst vast acres of greenery, close to all the conveniences and luxuries the city offers? Do you wish to give your kids a future they deserve? Then wish for more.
Presenting the World of Joy. Spread across 10 sprawling acres with 8 towers. The World of Joy is a self-sufficient township, intelligent in design, effective in spatial planning, and filled with world-class experiences. The amenities at the World of Joy have been designed in 3 zones.
The fitness zone. You can show off your tackling skills on the soccer field. Block, pass and dunk your way in a game of basketball. Watch your child master the cover drive on the cricket nets. Indulge in a friendly game of outdoor TT.
The recreational zone. Take a journey within at the Zen Garden and Sensory Path. Enjoy a walk in the great lawns. And let the young ones sway in the swing tables. Cherish monthly meetups at the kitty corner. And rest assured, with your kids thoroughly engaged at the play area. The joy of socializing is elevated by intelligently planned spaces created across a vast 1-acre green park and with thoughtful tower-to-tower amenities.
The social zone. Spa with your friends over a match of shuttle. Enjoy a game of tennis with your friends. Get the entire family together for snakes and ladders.
Play a game of chess with life-size pieces. Bring out your inner child and fly high on the trampoline.
Put together a great performance at the amphitheater. Work while surrounded by nature from the work from park places.
Spend calm evenings at the seating plaza. Relax with your favorite book at the hammock park.
Imagine a pleasant Friday evening as you watch the sun set in the west.
You log out of work and power down your laptop.
The smell of barbecue wafting in the air.
The calming music from a yoga class.
Peals of laughter from the game zone.
And your friends all waiting for an evening of food and drinks.
All on the roof of your own home.
Now, if that isn't your version of an idyllic weekend, what is?
At the World of Joy, we think of every single inch of space in the community. For us, sky is the limit, so we thought why not create intelligent spaces for you, in the sky, on the rooftop.
On the rooftop of every tower is a barbecue and party area, a green dining zone, a game zone, mini theatre, co-working spaces, viewing decks, yoga decks.
As parents, our first priority is to ensure we give our children the best education possible.
Not just a great school, but an ecosystem that nurtures holistic development. But the biggest challenge is in balancing our work schedules to make certain they get the world view they truly deserve.
This is where the World of Joy stands apart from any other property you've seen.
Presenting Urban Rise Genius, a first-of-its-kind children's learning hub that provides world-class infrastructure within the campus, where your child can be whoever they choose to be.
Tuition class,
Dance class,
music class,
robotic class,
martial arts class,
cookery class,
daycare.
crèche. Your home is your safe space that lets you unwind with family. But sometimes you need a space to get away from it all. A space of calm, so in tune with your needs, so personal. It's a space that lets you be.
At the 45,000 square feet clubhouse, we have lined up every amenity under the sky.
Take a dip in the swimming pool. Have a quick cup of coffee at the cafe. Burn those calories at the gym. Or just gossiping with friends.
Shop at the spacious shopping arcade. Enjoy a game of chess at the board game rooms. Work from home with the luxurious co-working spaces.
Arrange a get-together at the spacious banquet hall. Enjoy a fun-filled evening at the Ladies' Kitty Corner.
The clubhouse is a space you wouldn't want to leave. It's created aesthetically for your every need.
ஒரு வீடு வாங்குறதுக்குள்ள 1000 சஜஷன்ஸ், அட்வைஸ், பிரெஃபரன்சஸ்லாம் இருக்கதான் செய்யும். ஆனா எல்லாரையும் சந்தோஷப்படுத்துற மாதிரி ஒரு வீடு இருக்குன்னா அது இதுதான்.
அடடடடடா. இங்க வீடு வாங்கினா சந்தோஷத்தை கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ண முடியாது போல இருக்கே.
ஆமா, அதுதான் the world of joy.